guys, and welcome back to Do It at a Dime with Kathryn. Today's video is a Dollar Tree gift guide. So many of you say that my store is so much better than yours. So I challenged myself to go to a really tiny Dollar Tree in my area, one that isn't super well stocked or even super organized, and find amazing gift ideas that anyone could replicate. These are those 10 out of 10 items, plus I have ideas for the guys in your life. I hope you enjoy. What's the one thing you can always find in Dollar Tree? Socks. Tons and tons of fuzzy socks. And first I want to show you how to make really cute lollipops using them. I love the fuzzy socks, and I also love the Dollar Tree lip balm. Vaseline is my favorite brand. Buy 2 pairs of socks, lay one on top of the other, and add a lip balm to the center, roll up and secure with a scrunchie. These would be great gift ideas for teachers, postal workers, neighbors, and you could easily combine with a gift card. Plus, I love how each part of this gift is functional, including the scrunchie. Use some Dollar Tree cellophane paper, wrap around, and tie off on the side, and these are too adorable to not share. Next, the Dollar Tree always has loofahs and bath bombs. These are products that you can find in any store. Combine them with a small container or cup, whatever you want. 1 loofah, 1 bath bomb, and then tie with a ribbon. You can even add a bow on top to look like a cherry. This would make a great teacher gift idea. I just love these sweet treats. Next is my favorite of the video. The Dollar Tree always has peppermint sticks and a plethora of glassware. And this is the perfect gift idea for your minimalist friend. Buy a couple of packs of peppermint sticks and using a rubber band, attach them to your glassware. I like to add another one just for a little bit of extra security. And then tie it off with a Dollar Tree ribbon. I decided to use this pretty sparkly one. And finally, fill with flowers of your choice. I love these little roses that I got from my grocery store. This would make such a beautiful gift idea as a hostess gift or teacher gift, especially if you combined it with a gift card. I know I said that one was my favorite, but here's some more I think you're gonna love: creating a DIY s'more bar. These items are always in stock in Dollar Tree. And if you can't find graham crackers, you can use cookies and any type of Hershey's of your choice. I like to get a little creative with it. Then go to the craft section and get some wooden crates. Now, if you can't find these, you could use any containers you want. I just like these because they're solid wood and really easy to attach together using E6000 or hot glue. I added a bit of stain to the outside of mine to give it a rustic look. And then I got these decals from the Dollar General and I put it on for a little extra flair and put together a mini s'more bar. I added an elf to mine. This is the Elfmates brand, which I got from the Dollar General, and all of the s'more fixins. This would look so cute out on any countertop all season long and makes a great family gift idea. I love advent calendars, and I love even more how easy this one is to make. Dollar Tree always sells giant bags. They have snowmen and Santa Clauses that make little countdowns. You can just spray the back of any wooden sign of your choosing, and I just used this old tree skirt to put around mine. The camera went out of focus. I got so excited. And then I just cut down this Santa head and glued it right on to create an advent calendar I could hang on the wall. Santa! I know him! I took apart an old ornament to give Santa a little bit of hair, and I just love how cute this turned out. Up next are gifts for him. I get tons of questions about this from you guys in the DMs, but quite honestly, these would make great gifts for me too. I love the Dollar Tree tools like this hex key set and the screwdriver set. These make awesome stocking stuffers. I also love shopping the auto section. The auto glass cleaner and multi-purpose cleaner, I've showed these in tons of videos, make great gift ideas. And the air fresheners are awesome too, especially if you stick with the name brands. I gathered a few of these items together along with a shoe eraser to freshen up old shoes. These work really well. And a 5 out of 5 star product from Dollar Tree's website are these ring phone holders. They are a great buy. Now I just set it inside of this bin, all of these quality items, and I picked up a Dollar Tree cellophane bag. And you just blow this with a hot hair dryer and it will wrap itself around your package and look really high end. If your Dollar Tree doesn't have a very big baking section, I'll show you how to make the most of it. The Betty Crocker line, like the fudge brownies, and even better, all of their brittle mixes are awesome scores. And this year, they even had mug treats, and these retail for $3 to $4 in other stores. Buy a few of these along with the mug, and this makes such an affordable gift idea. Wrap up the mug treats, and I just love how it turned out. People have been asking for me to bring back Cooking with Carson. This is kind of like Cooking with Carson, huh?
Kind of, except then it's a normal video.
To make the brittle yourself, it's so easy. It's just butter and the mixture, and then you bake and break it down like you would any type of brittle. I guarantee you won't be able to keep your family's fingers out of the tray. And I like to add these little chocolate pieces to it too, or even peppermint. And I found this Baking Spirits Bright plate this year. It's ceramic and so beautiful. You could even put this treat in one of these Dollar Tree tins. I hope this video leaves you feeling inspired, motivated, and able to tackle all of these projects. Leave this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. That really helps me out a lot. I am so grateful for this platform and this channel, and that you are here today. If nobody has told you, you are enough, and I will catch you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe because I want to see you guys there. Bye. With all the glamour shots, I knew I had to share with you my pin fail too and burn marshmallows. I'm not a great cook, so don't do what I did.
Which was?
I tried to broil it. It seemed like a good idea. I mean... Oops. We dubbed this the 2020 cake. You win some, you lose some. It all goes down the same anyway. And hey, some people like the taste of burnt marshmallows. What's that?
Are you getting off?
You better wash your hands.